What's up, guys? We're over here at Southridge Park in Fontana. Killer conditions. They got the water going on right now. Guys right there maintaining it. Really cool peeps. And we're just out here to have some fun. So we're just gonna get into it and just do some of this crazy course. We also got the 110 scale short course truck course over there. That's one they're maintaining right there. This one's just getting watered down right now. Got my boy over there doing some jumps. Got a drone over there flying around, capturing some sick footage. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna get into it and have some fun. Let's do it. By the way, if you guys are looking to check this place out, you're gonna want to do it sooner than later, just because all of this is getting shut down pretty soon. There's no date set yet, but it is gonna be turning into a dog park. So they're gonna be tearing all of their hard work down, unfortunately. So yeah, definitely enjoy it while you still can.